Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a true masterpiece of automotive engineering, the 2026 Lamborghini Veneno. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling piece of art and technology, fused into one of the most aggressive and exclusive hypercars ever made. In this video, we'll break down its performance, design, aerodynamics, technology, and the unique elements that make the Veneno one of Lamborghini's most outrageous creations to date. Let's start with what grabs your attention first, the design. The 2026 Veneno is unapologetically extreme. From its blade-like front fascia to its massive rear wing, every curve and crease has a purpose. The body is crafted almost entirely from forged carbon fiber, making it incredibly strong and ultralight. Up front, the aggressive splitters and Y-shaped LED headlights create a menacing stance. Every element is sculpted with aerodynamics in mind, not just for looks. Along the sides, you'll find massive air intakes, flared wheel arches, and ultra-thin mirrors mounted like wings. And then, there's the scissor doors, a Lamborghini signature that still turns heads. Around back, the triple exit exhaust, full-width diffuser, and that race-inspired rear wing complete a design that screams speed, aggression, and purpose. Beneath that sculpted rear deck lies the heart of the beast, a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12, tuned to deliver an eye-watering 850 horsepower in this 2026 iteration. 0 to 60 miles per hour? 2.5 seconds. Top speed? Over 225 miles per hour. This is a car built for the track, but surprisingly compliant for the road. Power is sent to all four wheels through Lamborghini's 7-speed ISR, independent shifting rods, transmission, delivering shifts in milliseconds. It also comes equipped with active aerodynamics, torque vectoring, and an adjustable suspension system, meaning the Veneno isn't just fast in a straight line. It corners like a predator on rails. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit that's part spaceship, part race car. The cabin is minimal, but every surface screams performance. Carbon fiber dominates the interior, from the door panels to the center console. The seats are ultralight racing buckets, wrapped in Alcantara and carbon composite materials. There's a new generation digital driver's display, customizable to track, road, or performance modes, showing real-time telemetry. Though it's a track weapon, the 2026 Veneno still packs a bit of tech convenience: Apple CarPlay, onboard telemetry data recording, a performance HUD, and even a bespoke Lamborghini driving coach AI to help drivers improve their lap times. What truly sets the Veneno apart is the sound. That V12 doesn't whisper, it roars, growls, and howls like a symphony of fury. Each gear change is a crack of thunder. It's not just noise, it's an experience. Even at idle, you feel it vibrating through the chassis. This is a machine that wants to move. It doesn't purr. It demands attentions. Lamborghini didn't just design the Veneno to look fast. They engineered it to slice through air like a jet. The entire underbody is flat and shaped like an inverted wing, creating immense downforce. The massive rear wing is electronically adjustable, adapting to speed, steering angle, and braking. Every vent, every duct, and even the wheel design, it's all engineered for cooling, downforce, or drag reduction. This means better braking stability, tighter cornering, and improved high-speed balance, even at over 200 miles per hour. The 2026 Veneno isn't mass-produced. Lamborghini is only building 15 units worldwide, making it one of the rarest hypercars on the place. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more review.